Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to add outline to any image of your choice during your designs with Coreldraw. For this particular tutorial, we will make use of Coreldraw version 17. So let's dive into that. For this particular video, I have an image that I'll be using. The image I have already downloaded it from the internet. So if you don't have any image you would like to use, you can download one for yourself too from the internet. So let me copy and paste the image on our working space. So first things first, you have to remove the background of the image you want to use. So if the one you have, the background is still on, you have to remove the background. So for this particular image, the background has been removed. So you duplicate the image. For Coreldraw, you select the image and click Ctrl D to duplicate. So after duplicating the image, you reduce the hue, saturation and lightness to the lowest. That is, hue will be at, set it at -180, set the saturation at -100 and the lightness at -100 as well. It will give you a dark shade of the image. Then you go to trace bitmap and click on quick trace. So you get this small notification if the bitmap is high to reduce the bitmap or keep the original. I do normally reduce the bitmap, so you can go ahead and click on reduce bitmap. Once that is done, you notice that the dark image you had earlier has been kind of duplicated, and you now have one that you can easily change the colors as much as you want. So let's leave it at the black color that it was initially. So after that, we move on to contour by clicking on Ctrl F9. I open the contour pan. So for me, I set the contour, the outside contour, put the corners in round corners, then the color blend, I put it in clockwise contour colors. Then I only focus on the fill color because that's actually what we need for this tutorial. So you focus on the fill color. I've already selected the fill color to be red, while the outline color is set on black. So after that, I click on apply. If you see that there is an outline on what we are using, I already created a red contour on the black image. So for this tutorial, I left the contour offset at 3.0 millimeter. You can choose what works for you. But for the sake of this tutorial, it is 3.0 so that it won't be too big, neither will it be too small. So having done that, you click on the contour we have set and click Ctrl K. That's to break it apart. Break apart Ctrl K. So we ungroup the two. Ungroup the two. Then delete the two black contours, leaving only the red one and the actual image itself. So the next thing to do is to align the image and the contour horizontally and vertically. So you select the two images, that is the contour and the image itself, and click on C and E buttons on your keyboard. That is to central align and to horizontal align. So after that, you notice that the contour which you created is on top of the image. So you don't have to bring the contour behind the image by selecting the contour, then holding down the shift and push down button. That will bring the contour behind the actual image. So when looking at it, you notice that you have created an outline on the image, as simple as that. So this allows you to change the color of the supposed outline to anything that you may want or anything that works for your design. If you found this tutorial interesting, Please hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos.